Welcome back or welcome. If you're new here or missed the last video, I finally painted my car. Look how pretty she looks. The only downside is obviously it's not all put together yet, and that's because the kit doesn't match. So I have to go pick it up from Brian's shop, sand it down, and respray it. Let's go do that.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Admiring Noah's handiwork.
Yeah, he said he was busy. It looks like he was busy actually. I thought it was bullshit.
Looks good.
Still looks like shit.
Alright, here she is. We already got one side skirt at the shop.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! Whew. Back to the shop we go. And we're back. Let's go get a bucket. Shout out Ant and DJ for letting us use their hose.
It's the new body shop. I'm gonna grab another body stand.
While he does that, I'm gonna go grab the bumper out of the truck. Not that truck, that truck. It's a bit windy out today. If the audio sucks, I'm very, very sorry.
This water's gonna be so cold.
Thankfully it's not too cold out today. We only have two body stands. Front bumper's gotta wait, and so does the wing. But for now, we're gonna bust these out. So time lapse. Progress so far. Jordy is finishing up the back bumper for me, and I'm gonna start the wing. If you guys remember the last video, Jordy's meaty ass fingers indented my wing. They need to go.
15 minutes later.
Update on the wing. I got Jordy's fingerprints out. Let's go. The kit is all prepped and ready to go to Kaylee. Hello. So we'll be back. Sorry, not Kaylee's shop. Still in the parking lot. Not sure when we are gonna go there. Sometime this week, if this week. We'll get there. But for now, I gotta clean out my car. It is filthy.
Hashtag gross.
You guys remember the windshield was out, it got all dusty in there, so got our hefty deft vacuum and we're gonna suck it all out. I cleaned out all the obstacles in my way. Now let's hit it with the vacuum.
I'm gonna do my car next time.
Yeah, alright. I feel like I'm always cleaning your car. Look at that. Sparkly clean. Jordy's gonna hit the other side while he does that. I'm gonna start wiping off the dash and the windshield and windows.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We are almost done and ready to put in the new floor mats. We are not putting in the seat and the harness today because one, I forgot the harness at home, of course. And two, the seat always takes a full day. So we gotta take a full day to do that. But we'll see the new shift boot and the new floor mats. And you'll get the vision.
You got to have vision.
Car is all clean and it is time to install my heatmaker shift boot. Look how pretty and purple it is. Thankfully, this should be an easy install.
Good Lord, how long is that thing?
So it's pretty long. Make sure it stays on there, you know? Take off the charm bracelet my lovely friend Ellie made me, and I just dropped my handle. Oh, I like that. It comes in a little Ziploc bag.
Just really things.
Let's look at it in the sun. Oh, look how pretty it is. Micro suede. Gonna be a little bit. Looks like a skirt. Look, she's dancing. Okay. Tuck her all in there. Ta-da! It's cute. Am I cool like Jordy yet with the flames? Don't answer that.
Maybe one day you'll get there.
Don't answer that. Rhetorical question. I think I need a new shift knob now.
It's not it.
Drop in the comments below what you think shift knob I should get. And don't say shirts tucked in because I've already been eyeing those. Next we have heatmaker floor mat.
I'm more excited to see the color of these.
Nice.
They almost look blue on here.
I swear they're purple.
They're
They're really purple in person. Damn, Kai. That's all you?
That's all me. That's hot.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with the checker.
It's gonna tie the purple interior pieces together.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, so exciting! And that is all the time we have for today. We'll be back tomorrow for more. And we are back to do more little things on the car, which today's project is gonna be finishing up my clears and wiring them in. If you look closely, these are not the right connectors. I bought these off eBay. They're Mr. Miata parts from eBay. I didn't buy it off his website. I don't know if he has a website, but he was nice enough to include a sticker. Oh, he do have a website. Sorry, I'm just seeing this. MrMiataParts.com.
But they're really just NA Miata taillight housings.
Yes, they're the stock ones, so I can install the bulbs. So these are the pigtails I got, and these I got from Grant's Miatas. Check them out.
Everybody have a Miata part selling place?
I guess so. I don't know. I found this all on eBay. So these are the correct pigtails that plug into these. Boop, right in.
Nice.
As you can see, these are completely different because the ones for my hardtail lights were different. My hardtail lights were aftermarket Altezza style, I believe they're called, and these are made out of stocks. So I gotta go back to stock. So we got Mr. Splice and Dice wire connector over here. He is
Why do you call me that?
I don't know.
It's just matching colors. You can f it up, but it's not that hard.
He's really quick at what he does. So he's gonna bang this out and I'm gonna go grab a lighter for the heat shrink. Crimp it real good. Crimp it. Crimp it. Oh, smart. Applying the heat shrink before putting it on. Lots of crimping. You sure know how to dance around the wires.
Okay.
Time for heat shrink. Be careful, this shrunk is very flammable.
Only for you.
Okay, while Jordy does that, I'm gonna start splicing this one.
Connections look good though.
Do they? They do.
Yeah, they look great. One side looks really good.
I'll show them in a second. I f***ed up.
You didn't f up. You just made the wires shorter than they needed to be. You can f it up, but it's not that hard.
I didn't know they were pins that just pull out. Jordy's gonna fix it. This is why I don't do electrical. Look how nice he did this one. Let me focus what I am good at, and that's screwing in light bulbs.
Screwing things up.
Thankfully, as well as the clears, my friend OMG Miata, she also gave me some bulbs. Make sure to check out her website. I also have a code, Kai10, for 10% off. Got them both in. Put this one back in. Now let's plug her up. One done, two done. Thank you, Jordy. Let's test them out.
Okay.
Are they on?
Yeah.
Are they bright?
They're red. Left blinker works. Right blinker works.
I have no reverse lights.
Alright, that's
No,
fine.
we gotta get bulbs for that.
Just don't ever reverse.
Yay! No, it's fine. I just don't get caught reversing. We're like it. Alright, I think that's all we have for today because it looks like it's gonna rain. Clouds have been in and out, so I've been trying to rush this process. And everyone is here getting ready for the world tour. And of course, everyone moved their cars as I was gonna record. But we have Autumn and Mick. So they can vouch for me that everyone's here for the world tour.
Everyone's here.
See you guys tomorrow. I don't know. Stay tuned. And we are back because hopefully I got the missing piece to fix my issue, the MAF. If you guys don't remember when we picked up my car from Anthony, the car stalled out going on the trailer. So we think this is the issue. I ordered one. Let's fix it. Let's see what it does. Fingers crossed. I got this one from Treasure Coast Miata. It's not the stock one. It's an aftermarket that replaces the stock one. We'll see what it does. Got my supplies. I left my umbrella somewhere. I don't know where. But Ta-da! Oh, definitely need to remove that zip tie. Before I head back inside for some dikes, I am going to loosen these bolts, connecting the two pipes to the mat so I can just get them out of the way. She's free! Now let's go get some dikes. They look about the same. This one just doesn't have the lettering on it. Let's put this one back in how it came out. Well, bam! Now let's re-ghetto our clip. Thanks. I definitely need to replace that eventually. Nice. Let's go see if it works. Doesn't sound terrible. We'll let her warm up.
I have to, might have to like the throttle blade like we used to. We could also do spark plugs too. Just let it die, Kai. It's time for an engine swap again. Just let it die. Now is not the time to try and figure this out. Not the time to be figuring this out. Got a new math though, it's good.
Yay! New math! I'm so stressed out, guys. I want to be completely honest and vulnerable real quick. I am so sorry for the super short video this week. I really wanted to put a video out this week for you guys, and I'm so sorry it's late. But better than nothing! Better than nothing. We leave for the world tour literally tomorrow, and between my job at Wiring Specialties, getting them all prepped, working for Kansai this weekend, getting all my merch together because Micro Print Shop will have it, go find them. It's been a long couple weeks. Not to mention, if you guys want to laugh, yesterday I fell out of the Sequoia and really messed up my ankle. But it's fine. It's fine. We're walking, we're moving and grooving. And no, I do not have the footage. That being said, LZ World Tour this weekend. Come find me at the Kansai Wheels booth. Go find Jordy at Oaks Garage. And go buy some of my merch at Micro Print Shop. See you there, or be square. I did not get to paint my kit this week, unfortunately, but it's fine. We will do that next week for sure. Anthony is back, and if not, Kaylee's booth is available. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the video on this note. I will look over my car once we get back, because it's gonna be a long weekend. I'm taking you guys along with me, do not worry. We're gonna get some behind the scenes booth footage. I'm gonna give my camera off to my friends per usual, have them get some drifting content for you guys. It's gonna be a good time. Stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.